preserving peace of mind and self-worth. The art of walking away. The concept of maturity is explored in the statement, "Maturity is learning to walk away from people and situations that threaten your peace of mind, self-respect, or self-worth." It suggests that as individuals grow and develop, they gain the wisdom and discernment to recognize when it is necessary to disengage from relationships or circumstances that negatively impact their well-being and sense of self. Maturity involves the ability to prioritize one's own emotional well-being and to set healthy boundaries. It requires recognizing when a person or situation is toxic, draining, or abusive, and making the conscious decision to distance oneself from such influences. Walking away from these detrimental elements can protect one's peace of mind and preserve their self-respect and self-worth. By choosing to detach from harmful relationships or situations, individuals demonstrate their commitment to their own personal growth and happiness. It signifies an understanding that they deserve to be treated with respect and dignity, and that their mental and emotional health should not be compromised for the sake of others. It is an act of self-preservation and a step towards cultivating a more positive and fulfilling life. It's important to note that walking away does not imply weakness or giving up. Instead, it showcases strength, resilience, and a commitment to self-care. It allows individuals to create space for healthier connections, positive experiences, and personal growth. By removing themselves from toxic environments, they can focus on fostering relationships that uplift and support them, and engage in situations that align with their values and aspirations. Diablo, listen up, you pathetic weaklings. Maturity is all about having the goddamn balls to walk away from people and situations that threaten your peace of mind, self-respect, or self-worth. If someone or something is messing with your sanity and making you feel like a worthless piece of shit, it's time to say adios and get the hell out of there. Real maturity means putting your own well-being first and telling those toxic assholes to go screw themselves. You don't have time for their mind games and bullshit. You deserve goddamn respect, and anyone who tries to mess with that should be shown the godforsaken door. Walk away like the badass you are and let them drown in their own miserable existence. This isn't about giving up or being weak. It's about showing strength and taking control of your own goddamn life. Walking away from those losers and their toxic shitstorms is a powerful statement that you value yourself and won't put up with their crap anymore. It's time to surround yourself with people who lift you up and situations that bring you joy, instead of dragging you down into the depths of despair. So, embrace your maturity, you magnificent beast. Cut ties with those soul-sucking leeches and reclaim your goddamn peace of mind and self-respect. Rise above the bullshit and create a life that's worth living. You're in charge now and ain't nobody gonna mess with your peace, self-respect, or self-worth anymore. Walk away and let the losers wallow in their own misery while you bask in the glory of your newfound freedom.